Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a sleeve. I'm going to teach you how to make a sleeve that has an opening on the sides. So here I already cut out the pattern and I'm going to just be hemming the sides of the sleeve, where as you can see we have 4 pieces. So I divided the sleeve into 4 parts, as you can see. So I'm just going to hem the edges from the top side, and I'm going to do that for all 4 sides of the sleeve. So okay, as you can see here now, I'm done hemming the sides of the sleeve. So I'm just going to place them together so you get the illusion, as you can see here. So it's going to have an opening there, right there. So we're going to go further and put the band. Here's a band. You can choose whatever inch you want. You can make yours 5 inches, 3 inches, but I'm going to be using this 1.5 inches because I just want it to be small. So I notched the center of the band and the edge are measurements, around sleeve measurements. So if the round sleeve is 10, you can take your center to be 5, then 0, then the edges should be 5. So here I'm just going to pin them together so you'd see how sew them, joining both edges together. And I'm just going to pin them for you to see like this. So you can choose to seal yours, that's like pipe yours, but I'm going to weave it later, so I'm just going to go ahead and sew it straight. Still pinning so you can get the illusion. So okay, I'm going to pin the last edge to it around sleeve measurements, so the excess will be trimmed off. So I'm going to pleat it now. I'm going to pleat it on the band to give it a puffy look. Okay, as you can see, we're done with the pleating. The sleeve is coming together. We're going to go to the ironing table and iron the pleats so you can see how beautiful it will look. You can choose any fabric of your choice. You can do this with lycra, poly, any fabric you feel comfortable with. So we're ironing the pleats. Okay, as you can see, pleats are perfectly ironed. So we're going to join the other edge, yeah, that part of the sleeve. We're going to join it together all the way through to the top parts of the sleeve. So we join now. And like I said, we trim off the excess. And this is how our sleeve is looking now. Just going to turn it in out so you can see. This is how it's looking now. So this sleeve is very easy to make. I recommend it for anyone, any style of your choice. So I'm just going to fix it now to the blouse so you can see how it looks, the proper finishing. Okay, so we're done fixing it, the blouse. Yay, a beautiful sleeve. As you can see, I did an overlapping at the shoulder parts. You can choose to make yours like this, or you can choose to separate it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more. Till next time, bye.